can. This is a company that's not going anywhere. They will just buy more expensive cars. All right. So let's go again. We're talking about stocks. I'm going to show you exactly how I find stocks on repeat, regardless of what the market is doing. Because you need to do what most people do. All right. I'll tell you what most people do, and this is the mistake that they make, and then I'm going to give you the information. Most people, they want to determine whether they want to buy a stock. So then what do? And this is actually really good. So I'm actually going to save this clip. Let me make sure I save it. Okay, cool. This is really good. Most people, when they go on to try to determine what stock they're going to buy, what do? They go onto the charts and say, what is the chart at today? The chart says the price is $100 and I want to wait down until it gets to 80. Okay, what does that mean? Absolutely nothing. The chart does not tell you anything about the company. It doesn't tell you whether the company is going to grow in 2 years, doesn't tell you whether the company is dying, doesn't tell you whether the. Okay, so then let's say, for example, you see the company like BlackBerry or Kodak at 100, and you're saying it's kind of expensive. I own a BlackBerry. Let me actually wait until it dips to 80. And then you buy BlackBerry when it dips from 100 to 80. Is BlackBerry actually going up? No. BlackBerry is down 99% since its highs. It's never coming back. Kodak, same thing. So then, it's not enough to just look at the chart because the chart doesn't tell you anything about the direction of the company or the health of the company. When you are buying shares or stocks, you're actually buying a piece of a company, a business, and businesses must make money. So then, the chart is actually the last thing that I teach people to look at. It's the last thing. The chart does not matter because if it doesn't pass the first step, doesn't matter what the chart is saying. I'm not buying that company because I'm only buying companies that are growing. I'm only buying companies that are making money. So then, I'll tell you where we start. You're gonna open up Yahoo Finance. This is actually how it goes. Okay, where we at? Where we at? I want to make sure I'm getting this in the clip. Okay, cool. Boom. Wicked. So you're gonna open up Yahoo Finance. You're gonna go to financials for any company that you're looking at. Financials. You're going to look at the first thing that you're going to look at is total revenue. Is total revenue growing? Usually it goes back at least 4 to 5 years. Okay. So in 2025 now, you should be able to look back at 2021 or 2020 or 2021 and see has the revenue doubled at least in those 4 years or 5 years. If it hasn't doubled, I'm not interested. If the revenue hasn't doubled in 5 years, I don't want that company. I don't want it. It's a trash company. If it has only gone up 20% in that 5 years, and there are other companies that are doing double in the same, it's not going to be able to compete. So I'm actually waiting until I can see a company that's doing double in 4 years. That's the first thing. Second thing, I'm on good time. Great. Second thing, is profit doubling in those 4 years or near doubling? Is profit up 50%? Is it up 70%? Is it up 100%? If it's over 100%, that's a good sign. It's a great sign. Then you're going to go, is cash flow improving? Is debt going down? Is free cash flow improving? Are assets going up? Is operating margin going up? These are the things I'm looking at year after year. So from 2020, is it improving? Or are they piling on debt? Are they struggling to pay their debt? That would not be a good sign. This is how I'm looking at. So then now, if I can check these things, if the revenue is doubled in the last 5 years, profit has doubled in the last 5 years, then I can go to the chart and say, okay, now what has the chart said? Now, if the revenue has doubled, what do you think the chart is supposed to do? The chart is supposed to double at least. The chart is supposed to double at least. Now, if it hasn't doubled, what does that mean? It means the stock is undervalued. If the revenue and profit has doubled in the last 4 to 5 years, but the chart is only up 50%, what does that tell me? It means that this company is about to explode when people realize just how much money it's making. And you see this over and over and over again. You can see it before it hits the waves. Because the market is not stupid. It's going to eventually catch up to the companies that are making money. but you get to see it